Hello, my name is Marshall, Realtor Extraordinaire. I'm actually coming to you from Brentwood from an open house that I'm hosting. So right behind me is a screened-in porch patio that you see right behind me. It's got a gas fireplace right here and has another outdoor sitting area with a fireplace right there, and that's gas as well. So I'm going to show you the inside, the great room behind me in the kitchen, also with the large island. So this room has 5 bedrooms, 5 full baths, and 2 half baths. So this is it. The best part of this house, I think, in my opinion, these double sliding glass doors. That one slides as well. So you can close that. But here's the house. I wanted to show you that real fast and what I do. If you need any help navigating this crazy real estate market, please give me a call. I would love to serve your success. Thank you.